Today we're gonna make a really quick and simple, easy dessert, coffee bread pudding. Be done in 10 minutes in our TurboBlaze air fryer. So we're gonna start off by mixing our liquid ingredients. We're gonna add in our milk, our heavy cream, 1 egg, some sugar, some cinnamon, instant coffee powder, not instant espresso, instant coffee.
Coffee.
Some vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. So we're gonna get this whisking done. You wanna whisk until everything is fully incorporated. So here we have cubed brioche bread. You can buy it as a loaf, or you can buy it already pre-sliced. It's about 8 slices. You don't wanna cut them too small because once you fold it, it starts to break down. So we're gonna add the wet mixture into it. We're gonna add the mini chocolate chips, semi-sweet. Use dark chocolate, use anything you like. I like the mini ones because I feel like you get more in every bite. So all you do is toss to coat. You wanna make sure to go under and over versus like jamming it in. You don't wanna squish the bread, but you wanna mix it until every piece is coated in that yummy coffee mixture. All right, so you can see that it's like soaked up, it's delicious. We have some ramekins. Make sure to use oven-safe products like bakewares. We'll evenly distribute this. You can use your hands. You can press down a little bit. And if you're not a coffee person, you can totally swap out with a tablespoon of cocoa powder. We're gonna preheat this to 355. All right, so it's done preheating. I'm just gonna take the basket out, put it on something like a trivet or a towel, just so you don't ruin your counters. Place them right in. All right, and back into the TurboBlaze. Okay, we're gonna bake this at 355 for 10 minutes. Almost there. We'll be right back. All right, so it's finished and done, finally. It's only been 10 minutes. And look at that gorgeousness. Beautiful, brown and crispy. Take these out. Look at these. So excited, it smells so good. In just 10 minutes. So these came out really, really nice. They're nice and ooey gooey in the middle, a little crispy top, so you can probably hear. You can top it with ice cream or whipped cream. Just let it cool down for a bit before you add it on, or else it will just slide right off and melt. You can dust it with some powdered sugar, which is what I'm gonna do. Use a tea strainer if you have one similar to this, and use it with powdered sugar, dust it. You can use a fine mesh strainer. All right, and there you have it, coffee bread pudding. It's a really great recipe to have in your back pocket in case you have last minute guests. Let's dig in. Probably really hot. There you go, that steam. Sacrifice my taste buds and my tongue for this. Hot. It's crispy, chocolatey, ooey gooey, coffee, all the good things that you want in dessert. All right, I'm gonna go enjoy this without any help. So I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.